Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we've got a crazy story that's been buzzing all over social media. You won't believe this one. The alleged Mexican alien from a recent UFO hearing has been exposed as a cake. Now let's get right into it. There's this viral video that's making waves on the internet, and it's seriously convincing. It looks like a real TV broadcast, and the headline reads, "Alien revealed as cake." In the video, someone is cutting into what appears to be the alien. And guess what? It's a cake. A cake that looks exactly like the supposed alien bodies from the UFO briefing. They even show you the different layers to prove it. Social media is having a field day with this one. People are having a good laugh at how UFO enthusiasts believe this was a real extraterrestrial. But let's get to the bottom of this. The alien corpse was supposedly found in Peru, not Mexico. A journalist and ufologist claimed they weren't part of our evolution and were fossilized remains found in diatom mines. Now it's essential to clarify that this UFO hearing wasn't about confirming aliens. It was more about presenting evidence to the government regarding unverified reports and sightings of aerial objects. So there you have it, folks. The Mexican alien turned out to be a cake, and the UFO hearing was more about evidence than confirming extraterrestrial life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating stories. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.